So, this video is about making earrings for Navratri. First up will be the tassel earring. The raw material that I have bought is from a shop that keeps the jewelry materials. So this is just the general idea that I'm showing how I'll be fixing the extension along with the tassel. Here I have randomly cut the chain in 3 sizes. Depending upon the length you want. So basically this will be the composition. The first step will be from the gap between the tassel. I'll be taking out the needle along with thread and tying 2 to 3 knots. Once I have tied the knot, I'll pass the needle through the extension and pull it so that the extension and tassel gets adjusted. After that, pass the needle through the chain and take it down again from the extension and pull it. That will help in not forming any sort of gap between the chain, extension and the tassel. Then the further step will be you have to tie the knot on the tassel to fix them all. You can also buy it from Amazon, and I am putting the link in the description box for all the materials that are available on Amazon. Then the same steps you can repeat for others. So this is the fish hook wire. As you can see, I am tying the knots in the loop of fish hook wire. After tying the knot, take the extension and take out the needle. Now you have to pass those chains from the needle. So firstly I am taking the longest one, then the medium size and then the smaller one. After passing all the chains, you have to take the needle up from the extension and tie the knot in the fish hook wire. You will have to pull the needle hard so as there are no gaps in between extension, chain and hook wire. Now, as you can see, there is still some gap between the hook wire and the extension. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix it using the glue gun. Just put some glue inside the extension and adjust the hook wire inside it. And you are done. Next up are chan balis. So here you'll need some poles, and I have used traditional colors. As you can see here, small circles down the side. As you can see, I have tied the knot on the one side. Now take one pearl and pass it through the needle. Now take the needle from back side to front from the nearest circle. That will fix the pearl at a place. Again, pass the pearl through the needle, take the needle backside and pass it to the front from the nearest circle. Do the same thing for all. And at the end it will look like this. Then we do have the same circle at the top where we need to fix just single pearl. what I'll do is, again I'll tie a knot, pass the pole through it, and then I'll take the needle back and take it out from the same circle to the front. I'll be doing this thrice, and then for fixing it I'll tie the main knot. Now you have to pass the fish hook wire from the above circle. Here I'm opening the loop using a scissor, and then I'll just simply pass it off, and then I'll fix it by pressing it through the scissor. The next step are the jhumkas, where I have used the ready-made materials. So here I am keeping the kundan stud backside up, and I'll be applying glue using the glue gun, and then fixing the jhumka over it, and onto it I'll be applying another layer of glue using glue gun. You can say they are the kundan materials. Also, here I'll be applying the fish hook wire in the same manner I did it in the last earring. So the last type of earring is also a jhumka using the same kundan pattern stud. So what I'll be doing here is the same process, like I'll be applying glue using the glue gun and then adjusting the jhumka over it. And I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, happy Navratri.